Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So in yesterday I put one video for the lighting control system, how it's the light control system works. So today I am going to teach you how to connect the device, multiple device uh, to the control system and to the same time to the into the power system. So let's draw a wall. Okay, this is the wall. So I will have now two panel. Let's go into the insert. So system here, electrical equipment, place on face, one here. Let's put one here. Okay, this one is panel 120.208. So let's give a name DB dash GF dash 301. I am putting equal. Always I do this mistake. Don't make mistake like me, huh? Enter. So if you go tag, let's go freehand. Yeah, freehand. This is the panel. So here, let's go to the edit family. I will change this one to the control. Any control, whatever you want. You can name it. So file, save as, family. So desktop. I was having one control panel, so I replace this one. Yes. Load into project. Let escape, then we can select from. Okay. Forget about the ampere everything. If you want to create new, you can create your own. Okay. So before doing some lighting control, let's make the general setting, mechanical, sorry, electrical settings. Let's make RYB. Okay. Let's make this one connection panel name already done. So this one, I am going to name, where is this panel name? Okay, panel name. CP dash VF dash 001. Okay, so this is this panel name. So let's put some light system, light. So I have to go to level 2, light, place on face, operation work line. You will put it like this. So you will see in the level 1. Why I put like this? If you go to the elevation, you will know. If I put level 2, that meaning it will come top level of the level 1. Okay. So let's make lights. How much you want, you can make it. Okay. Let's kick the light, edit family. I need another connector electrical. Somewhere. Let's delete this. Create electrical connector. Yes, here. Okay. Don't put same place, otherwise you cannot identify. Load, no. Alright, I forget to do something. Edit family. This one you have to select here, control. Load into project. No. Overtime. See, overtime. Overwrite. Okay. So now let's select this whole light. Power. You can give this one. And one. Let's draw CS. Okay, let's tag this one. So it's showing unnamed. So let's go edit family, circuit, edit label. We will put panel name. Where is panel name? Okay, let's copy panel. Let's put dash here. And this one, I need dash here. Okay, let's delete. Okay, so let's make this one big. Load into project. Do you want to save? No. All right. Now, the problem, this light, let's say this panel is 120208, but this light, edit type, 120. So this panel, 120 also. So let's select the light, electrical circuit, let's select the panel. So you will see this one. Another problem, this panel, I have to assign by face. Circuiting naming by face. So you will get R1, Y1, whatever you want. So if you select again, if you go to filter, if you remove the wire, you will see the control is exists. So when you click this one, you see another wire running. So it is already actually available wire, so it will not draw a wire. So let's draw by manual CS. So I remember I put it here. Okay. You see the different. There's no tick marks coming. Okay. So let's take this one. We can put somewhere here. So let's TG. So you see there's no name. Click and you will see this is the control. Nothing coming. Why? Because here I did one mistake. Edit family. You have to go to this place and select not panel board, other panel. Okay. Load into project. No. Alright. So you see if you select here, now this control available. So let's go to the light again. So you will see the name here. So this is for the light. This is for the control. So same like this, you can do everything. Dali connection, or home automation system, or anything. If you have two connection. If you have three connection, still another one, another one. Also the DB, this is the control. You can go to the control again. Let's say I put another control panel. So let's name this guy main. So I can connect this one control to the main. So this one is connected to here. So I hope you understand how to connect multiple wire or multiple connection, control cable, everything. I hope you understand. And also there's too many control systems and you have to imagine yourself how to make this connection. Inshallah, in next video we will learn together more and more. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you watch the video again. So this is a multiple connection, like we can say control wire to the light. Assalamu alaikum.